To fix this problem, head straight to the phone menu. Tap on the app for some while. And you're going to see this pop up. Tap on application details. Now tap on storage and cache. Tap on the collect cache. Go back. Tap on the force stop. Then you tap on OK. After doing this, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction on other device. Toggle it on. When it's off like this, you have to turn it on like this. After doing this, what you have to do is to tap on notifications and make sure show notification is toggled on. So after turning this on, what you have to do is to check for the latest update on Google Play Store. So open Google Play Store, then after that search for the name of the app, then tap on the update button. So after tapping on update, what you have to do is you have to update it. After updating and reinstalling on your device successfully, tap on the power button for some while, and now you're going to see power off and reboot. Just try to reboot it and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.